Good evening, viewers. Welcome to Power Sector News. Today's headlines: Amendment to Energy Conservation Act 2001. All India Power Engineers Federation writes to Ministry of Power on impact of blending imported coal on electricity prices. Update on solar tenders and electric vehicles. Coming to the details. Ministry of Power has prepared amendments to Energy Conservation Act 2001 after consultation with stakeholders. The proposal includes defining minimum share of renewable energy in the overall consumption by the industrial units or any establishment. There will be provision to incentivize efforts on using clean energy sources by means of carbon saving certificate. The objective will be to enhance demand for renewable energy at the end-use sectors such as industry, buildings, transport, etc. The proposed amendments would facilitate development of carbon market in India and prescribe minimum consumption of renewable energy either as a direct consumption or indirect use through grid. This will help in reduction of fossil fuel based energy consumption and carbon emission to the atmosphere. The proposed changes to Energy Conservation Act will boost the adoption of clean technologies in various sectors of economy. The provisions would facilitate promotion of green hydrogen as an alternate to the existing fossil fuels used by the industries. The additional incentives in the form of carbon credits against deployment of clean technologies will result in private sector investments in climate actions. The proposal also includes expanding the scope of Act to include larger residential buildings with an aim to promote sustainable habitat. The Union Ministry of Power has advised all the coal-based thermal generating stations to maintain adequate coal stocks according to their obligations. In the case of domestic coal shortage, the generator can blend the imported coal up to 15% with the domestic coal to meet the increased power demand in the country. For a load center thermal station, say in Punjab, the landed cost of Indian coal is 5,150 rupees per ton with gross calorific value 4,000. For the landed cost of imported coal is 22,000 rupees per ton with gross calorific value of 5,500. With this, the landed cost of 15% imported coal blended with the domestic coal will increase the per unit cost from 3 rupees 22 paisa per unit to 4 rupees 37 paisa per unit, which is approximately 30%. State discoms which are already facing a financial crunch will not be able to afford this price increase. Further, there are two aggravating factors. The global prices of coal increase, which would make import a costly option. Moreover, the coal production in India has stagnated in the past 3 years while the demand is increasing every year. All India Power Engineers Federation has urged the central government to take steps to increase coal production to ensure that the crisis is not repeated next year. Maharashtra State Electricity Distribution Company Limited has invited bids for 444 megawatt of decentralized solar projects of 500 kilowatt to 2 megawatt capacity under Component A of the PM Kusum program in Maharashtra. The estimated cost of the project is 15.54 billion rupees. The last date to submit the bids is November 23, 2021. In another tender by MSEDCL, invited bids to procure 1250 megawatt of solar power from projects developed in various districts of Maharashtra. The last date to submit the bids is November 25, 2021. The bids will be opened on the same day. The pre-bid meeting will take place on November 11th. The ceiling tariff for the tender has been set at 3 rupees 10 paisa per unit. Telangana Power Minister stated that 138 electric charging stations were set up so far and 600 more are to come in future. This will enable the people to work towards curbing the rise of air pollution and incentivize them to go for electric vehicles in a big way. North Delhi Municipal Corporation has planned to set up 50 electric vehicle charging stations over the next 6 months. More than 10 vendors have been empaneled by 3 discoms in Delhi for installing charging points for electric vehicles. Additional news today: 83 thermal power plants with cumulative capacity of 99 gigawatt are running with coal stock of less than 7 days. ICRA states that the solar tariffs will increase by 20 to 25 paisa per unit owing to increase in module prices and hike in GST. 525 kilowatt solar power plant commissioned at Golden Temple in Amritsar. In response to tender floated by PSPCL, it has received offers for solar power of 250 megawatt at 2 rupees 33 paisa per unit and 150 megawatt for 2 rupees 69 paisa per unit. Price discovery at Power Exchange. National Load Dispatch Center has scheduled 115.18 million units of power for tomorrow, cleared through Indian Energy Exchange. Coming to the price discovery details. Price discovered during night 2 rupees 23 paisa per unit. Price discovered during day 1 rupee 80 paisa per unit. Price discovered during evening 2 rupees 94 paisa per unit. Price discovered round the clock 2 rupees 37 paisa per unit. Weighted average price is 2 rupees 47 paisa per unit. There is no congestion for power transfer in the network and the prices are uniform in all the regions. In green day ahead market, 5.06 million units of volume cleared with weighted average price of rupees 3 rupees 65 paisa per unit. Thank you and good day.